So I have a cool tool to show y'all. This is a refractometer. What exactly does a refractometer do? So this measures on the brick scale, which basically represents the strength of a solution percentage by mass. So in other words, it'll tell you the suspended solid within that liquid. So if you take some coolant from your radiator, it'll tell you how much coolant is in that water. Or if you're a brewer and you wanted to know exactly how much sugar content is in that brew. Let me just show you a demonstration with some coolant. So we'll just use this to drop a few drops of water on our lens to make sure that the device is calibrated correctly. So now that we have this calibrated correctly, we're gonna clean it off and we're gonna put some of the coolant on. So here's my coolant, close that up. Make sure there's no air bubbles or anything within the lens. And now you're gonna do the same thing. Now with a little bit of math, you can determine how much coolant is mixed with that water. Pretty cool device. So it doesn't matter what field you're in, you should definitely check out Pen Tool. They got all kinds of cool stuff.